Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Zahra Dwi Kurniawanti, student ID number 2362178. Here I will describe one of the objects of midwifery, namely the fetal Doppler. Midwives are health service providers who handle pregnancy, childbirth, newborn care, and postnatal health. During pregnancy, midwives must always monitor the health of the mother and fetus. One way is to detect the fetal heartbeat. The tool that can be used to detect a fetal heartbeat is a fetal Doppler. Fetal Doppler is a diagnostic tool used to detect the heart rate of a baby in the womb. Fetal Doppler makes it easier for a midwife to calculate the fetal heart rate without having to fully concentrate on calculating the fetal heart rate, which is usually used at 60 weeks of gestation and above. How to use a fetal Doppler is very easy. Press the power button on the fetal Doppler, apply gel to the probe, then stick the probe into the pregnant woman's stomach at the fetal back position. Move the probe until it finds the right position until a heartbeat is detected. Its use is not limited to doctors or midwives when controlling pregnancy because it is portable. The fetal Doppler can be used alone at home. This is why the mother can monitor the fetus heartbeat regularly at home without having to go to the doctor. Monitoring the fetal heart rate is very important because it can be an indicator that the future baby is healthy or not in the womb. That is the explanation about one of the midwifery objects that I can convey. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.